Hi, good evening, one and all. Myself, Rituja Nivate. My final year topic is bag house. My colleague names Shubham Golamde, Swapnali Taigade, and Akansha Jadhav. Introduction. If a bulk material consists of relative large and heavy particles with no dust particles, it may possible to collect the material in a simple bin. Gas solid separation device associated with conveying system having two functions. First function, to recover the convey material as much as possible and to minimize population of air environment by the working material. Second function, different separation mechanism used based on size of particles, that is gravity settling chamber, cyclone separator and bag types fabric filters. What is bag house? A device or a facility in which particles are removed from the stream of exhausted gas from a blast furnace. As the stream passes through the large cotton bag are also the bag used to filter the gas stream. A bag house is also known as a bag house filter, bag filters, or a fabric filter. In an air pollution control device, the dust collector remove particles or a gas release from the air like power plant, steel mills, food manufacturers, etc. How do bag house work? It is a system in which bag house made of various material fabrics filters in the air. Baghouse dust collectors are a type of fabric filters, air materials, separators employing the particles removed from the manufacturing and other industries operation to keep entering the workplace or a bin released from the atmosphere. Among the dust collection system of baghouse are mostly widely used. They are designed to receive dusty gas from the process resources, capture the particulate and then exhaust clean air. The dirty gas stream enter the bag house enter via an inlet or plenum or directly into the hopper. Upon entry, the large particular matter drop directly into the hopper below due to the decrease in conveying velocity. Once a layer of dust cake is built on the outside of the filter bags, by cleaning take place and regenerate the permeability of a filter media. Dust test floating pan door. The cleaning system consists of double diaphragm valves connected to the blowpipes and mounted over the bags. When a cleaning is needed, there is a release the air store in the air header through the blowpipes. The upper body of a fabric filters is known as a cleaning air service as the outlet to carry filtered air into the atmosphere.
Shubham Golamde. The next topic is importance of bag house. Approximately 3,600 hot mix asphalt plant in the US that make over 500 million tons of asphalt material each year. With all that mix being produced, it's estimated that nearly 8 million tons of dust fines are generated annually. Like it or not, it's the responsibility of the plant operator to ensure they are not exceeding dust limitations at the plant in order to comply with the federal new source performance standards. Therefore, installing a bag house that not only works efficiently but also operates properly at all times is paramount to mix production success. Methods of bag house cleaning: Shankar style method, reverse style method. Principle of working filter of bag house. A pulse jet type bag filter consists of a four-sided hollow metallic body which is conical at the downside. Also, a vertical squirrel cage type arrangement is there for supporting and holding the filter bag. So the bigger size dust particles get collected at the surface of the filter and flue gases leaves bag filter through the outlet. Methods of bag filter. There are two types of bag house: mechanical shaker bag house, reverse air bag house.
ताईकडे mechanical shaker. In a mechanical shaker baghouse, tubular filter bags are fastened onto a cowl plate at the bottom of the baghouse and suction from the horizontal beam at the top. Dirty gas enter the bottom of the baghouse and pass through the filter, and the dust collect on the inside the surface. Reverse air. In a reverse air baghouse, the bags are fastened on a cowl plate at the bottom of the baghouse and suction from the in-adjustable hanger frame at the top. Dirty gas flow normally enters the baghouse and pass through the bag from the inside. Material: fabric filters bags, generally round tubes made of fabric or non-woven fabric. Inform about the important properties, characteristics and use of various fabric material is given in this table. Filter fabric is manufactured from variation material which is provided different beneficial characteristics. Following a selection chart summarization some of the common fabric material conditions they are the most suited to handle. Research and significance. The main object of this study was to determine the effect of filter size and fiber determined on the performance of the baghouse filters for emissions. In order to determine the static filtration performed on the filtration resistance and the filtration efficiency on the clean filter made were measured by the method.
Myself, Akanksha Baban Jadhav, safety of baghouse. In generally, follow manufacturer's recommendation on safety. After shutdown of the unit, the fly ash can take a long time to cool down. Therefore, even days after shutdown, the ash can burn personally coming into contact with it. Maintenance of baghouse. Verify the system operates within acceptable ranges. Example: air pressure to solenoid valves, timing control for pulse valve, compartment differential pressure, etc. Check the condition of the filter media, fan bearing, damper valves, door seals and gaskets and other system components and repair or replace them if necessary. Empty the dust in the hopper if necessary. Conclusion: In this study, the statistic filtration performance of clean filter media was investigated. Within was studied the effects of filter pore size and fabric diameter on the filtration performance of the fabric structure of the filter media so as to provide basic data and the oriental support for the study of influence of filter pore size and fiber diameter on the dust deposition characteristics and dynamic filtration performance on the dust containing filter media, the fabric structure plus the dust cake. Reference we have taken from all these links. Thank you.